2025 is ending. And if you feel like this year just passed and nothing got changed, then you're not alone. I also wasted years waiting for the right time. I used to say after exams, after college, after going home, or after the festival, and that after never came. But what I learned the hard way is there is no right time. There is only now. So if you want your 2026 to be different, like completely different, these 5 skills can change everything for you. Not hype, not random. Real skills that companies actually care about. And real skills that put you ahead of most of the people. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech It with Bhavita. To begin with, the very first skill is AI and automation fundamentals. Everyone is scared that AI would replace their jobs. But the truth is, AI won't be replaced. The people who know how to use this AI will replace the people who don't. You don't need to become an AI engineer, but you must know how to use AI to increase productivity. Because right now, every company needs employees who can save time and deliver faster. So I would recommend you to learn things like prompting, automating reports and emails, using AI for research and summarization, and tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, Zapier, or Power Automate. Even small businesses today are using AI. Imagine how important it is for the companies. If you understand automation, you are already more valuable than 70% of people. Comment AI 2026 if you want a roadmap for it. Soon I will make one for you. The next one is cloud fundamentals. Everything today runs on cloud. It can be Netflix, banking, mobile app, gaming, government portals, everything. Here is a secret. Even during recession, cloud hiring never stops. Because companies can't survive without running servers online. Roles like cloud support, DevOps, SysOps, SRE are growing insanely fast. You don't need to master everything. You just learn basics like storage, compute, networking, deploying apps, and monitoring. Even basic cloud knowledge puts you ahead in 2026. And the best part is that it opens doors even without coding. And skill number 3 is communication and public speaking. This is the real driving factor in interviews. Most candidates don't get rejected because they don't know things. They get rejected because they can't explain what they know. Communication is not English, it's clarity. And I'm planning to post my next video on this. If you don't want to miss, do subscribe and turn on the bell icon. People with strong communication can grow faster, get more opportunities, and automatically look confident. Skill number 4, consistency and self-discipline. This is the superpower that separates winners from everyone else. People don't fail because they are not talented. They fail because they stop too early. Motivation fades, but discipline stays. So do build habit like at least 45 minutes daily learning, tracking your progress, and doing small tasks daily without any excuses, and reducing the distractions. Tiny daily progress beats huge random efforts. Consistency builds skills, skills builds results, and results will build you the confidence. And the last and the very important one is that adaptability and continuous learning. Like yesterday, there was no AI, and today, this same AI is ruling the whole world. So we can say that technology will keep changing. Jobs will keep changing. The only people who survive and grow are the people who can adapt faster. So instead of saying, I can't do this, say, I can't do this yet, but I will learn. If you are flexible and always learning, you become impossible to replace. This mindset alone can change your entire 2026. Now it's November. 2025 is almost over. Whatever happened, happened. Don't carry the same version of yourself into 2026. Learn these 5 skills. These are the real skills companies value. These are the skills that future-proof your career. And these are the skills that makes you unstoppable. I'm posting videos every week to help you grow in career, mindset, and skills. So if you're serious about improving yourself, hit the subscribe button now. Let's grow together. Let's make 2026 our year. Comment 2026, I'm ready to start growing. See you in the next video.